Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the third stage of formation of company, that is capital subscription stage. So what happens in capital subscription stage? After getting the certificate of incorporation, the private company gets formulated and can commence their business activities. But a public limited company has to perform the third stage and get the certificate of commencement. Clear? If your company is private company, then you can start your business after getting the certificate of incorporation. But if it is a limited company, then you will have to wait for the next stage, that is third stage, capital subscription. The steps involved, the stages of commencement of business are: first stage in capital subscription stage is SEBI approval. SEBI, what is the meaning of SEBI? SEBI is a Security and Exchange Board of India. It is a regulatory body. It is a regulatory body which control the capital market of India to protect the interest of the investor. Clear beta? It is a regulatory body which control the capital market of India, capital market or secondary market. In next classes we will study the types of market. So there are two types of market. First one is money market and second one is capital market. Clear? In capital market, again capital market is divided into two parts, that is primary market and secondary market. Later on we will study it. Right now you remember only this thing. Capital market is related to share market. The public company must submit the all relevant information with the SEBI before issuing its security in the capital market. Clear? If you want to issue your security in capital market, then first you will have to inform all the information to the SEBI. Company should not hide any information from SEBI, else their registration can be cancelled according to law. And if you are hiding any information from the SEBI, then what will happen? Your registration can be cancelled. Clear? SEBI was established in 1992 to protect the interest of the investor. Clear? So if it find that interest of the investor is violated or suffering, affecting, then it can cancel your registration. Clear beta? Second point is prospectus. I have told you earlier also that there are three important documents of the company: MOA, that is Memorandum of Association; AOA, it is Article of Association; and third one is prospectus. So in prospectus, what we do, a company has to prepare another important document called prospectus. It is circular or invitation issued to invite the general public for subscribing the share of the company. This document has to deposited with the registrar. Clear? It is an invitation in which we invite the public to contribute their savings in the form of कैपिटल. ठीक है बेटा, इसमें कंपनी से रिलेटेड सारी इंफॉर्मेशन डिस्क्लोज की जाती है और जो भी इन्वेस्टर है उन इन्वेस्टर को अट्रैक्ट किया जाता है कि वो क्या करें, अपनी जो सेविंग है उस सेविंग को कंपनी में डिपॉजिट करें. दिस हैपन्स इन द सेकेंड पॉइंट, दैट इज prospectus. Third one is appointment of bankers, brokers and underwriters. To receive and deposit the application money, bankers are appointed to sell the shares, brokers are appointed. They encourage public to buy shares and charge commission for the same. If the company is not sure of selling the whole lot of share, it may appoint underwriters. They underwrite the share and charge commission for the same. Clear? So these are the different middlemen who are appointed for the further processing: banker, broker, and underwriter. Company can't do all the work by itself. So what it does, it appoint different middlemen. Clear, beta? Any doubt till now? Then you can ask. After that, fourth point is minimum subscription. To make sure that company doesn't have shortage of funds, it is made compulsory that company must receive application for the some minimum number of shares. This is called minimum subscription. A public limited company cannot make allotment of share unless the minimum subscription is received. As per the rule of SEBI, a company must receive 90% of the issued amount within 120 days of issue of prospectus. For example, if a company plan to issue 10,000 share of rupees 10 each, then it must receive application for minimum 9,000 shares before the allotment. Clear? Minimum subscription means there is some certain amount which company should receive or which company should record, because if this amount is not available to the company, then it will not be in a position to run its business. ठीक है, एग्जाम्पल उसने समझा है 10,000 शेयर इशू किए, एक शेयर का प्राइस है 10 रुपी. तो बेटा ये जो 10 रुपी है ये होती है शेयर की फेस वैल्यू, एंड इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट कंपनी इज demanding 10 rupee in one time. This 10 rupee is divided into 4 parts. That is called application, allotment, first call and second and final call. ठीक है, 4 स्टेजेस में शेयर होल्डर से पैसा लिया जाता है. जब भी हम IPO लॉन्च करते हैं उसमें 4 स्टेजेस में पैसा लेते हैं. पहली स्टेज होती है एप्लीकेशन, दूसरी का नाम है अलॉटमेंट, तीसरी है फर्स्ट कॉल और चौथी होती है सेकेंड एंड फाइनल कॉल. क्लियर? तो सपोज़ आपने 10,000 शेयर इशू करे. अब आपका जो मिनिमम सब्सक्रिप्शन होगा दैट विल बी 90% ऑफ द इश्यूड कैपिटल. 9,000 शेयर आपके सब्सक्राइब हो जाना चाहिए. यदि आपके 9,000 शेयर सब्सक्राइब नहीं हो रहे हैं, एप्लीकेशन 9,000 की नहीं आ रही है, तो आप अलॉटमेंट नहीं कर सकते. सेकेंड स्टेज जो है, सेकेंड इंस्टॉलमेंट जो है दैट इज़ अलॉटमेंट, वो सेकेंड इंस्टॉलमेंट मांगने का आपको राइट नहीं होगा. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा लीगल पॉइंट है, ध्यान रखना. 120 डेज़ में आपका मिनिमम सब्सक्रिप्शन फुल हो जाना चाहिए. 120 डेज फ्रॉम द इश्यू ऑफ prospectus. Clear beta? I think it should be clear now. Next is application to the stock exchange. A firm must get itself listed in the stock exchange before selling its security to the general public. The company may apply in any of the recognized stock exchange to get the permission. The stock exchange authority verify the financial soundness and other aspect of the company, and if they are satisfied, then the name of the company is listed. If a firm does not get permission from the stock exchange within 10 weeks from the date of closure of subscription list, then allotment will become void and the money received from applicants must be returned. Clear? After that, you will have to get yourself or your company registered in the stock exchange. In India, we have two stock exchange, that is BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, and second one is NSE, that is नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. ठीक है, इसमें आप क्या करोगे, एक एप्लीकेशन दोगे अपनी कंपनी के रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए. यदि आप स्टॉक एक्सचेंज उसको सूटेबल पाता है, कंफर्टेबल पा रहा है, आपके सारे फाइनेंशियल ओके है, उस कंडीशन में वो क्या करेगा, वो आपकी कंपनी को स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में रजिस्टर्ड कर लेंगे. और यदि आपकी कंपनी 10 वीक तक रजिस्टर्ड नहीं हो रही है तो फिर आपका जो अलॉटमेंट है वो क्या हो जाएगा, वॉइड, इलीगल हो जाएगा. और आपको आपने जो एप्लीकेशन के टाइम पे मनी ली है उस मनी को आपको रिटर्न करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है बच्चों, कोई डाउट यहाँ पर? I don't think there should be any doubt. And the sixth stage is allotment of share. After getting the name listed, the company prepare a return of allotment. Return of allotment is a statement giving detail about the name and address of shareholders. The company has to submit the return of allotment with the registrar stating the name, address and number of share allotted to each shareholder. ठीक है, और जैसे ही आपकी कंपनी का नाम रजिस्टर्ड होगा, कंपनी क्या करेगी, एक रिटर्न अलॉटमेंट प्रिपेयर करेगी. अलॉटमेंट मीन्स कंपनी इज गिविंग यू शेयर्स एंड इन दैट स्टेटमेंट द नेम एंड एड्रेस ऑफ द शेयर होल्डर विल बी गिवन. ठीक है बेटा, तो ये था आपका थर्ड स्टेज, दैट वाज कैपिटल सब्सक्रिप्शन स्टेज. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल चीज़ें थोड़ा ध्यान से समझना, ऑटोमेटिक समझ में आ जाएगा कि कंपनी बनती कैसे है, हाउ द कंपनी इज फॉर्म, हाउ द कंपनी स्टार्ट. राइट नाउ व्हाट वी हैव डन, वी हैव सब्सक्राइब द capital of the company at the third stage. At the first stage we have promotion, second stage we have incorporation, third stage we have capital subscription. Now in the next class we will move towards the commencement of business, how we can commence our business. That we will discuss in next class. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, you can send message to me, definitely I'll solve your doubt. Okay, thank you so much.